Welcome to the demonstration of WebGeno, the Genogram Builder. We start off on an empty canvas and add our first element. Then we can double-click and edit the properties. In this case, we'll create the father of the family, Robert, enter his age, 42, and save. You can position the name and age labels as you want. I like to have the name on top right and the age on the bottom right, like this, but you can choose any position as you see fit. Now we're going to add the mother. New person, then open the properties by double-clicking. We'll call the mother Maria, enter her age, 38, change to female, and save. In the normal genogram notation, females are usually represented as circles and males as squares. Now we want to establish the relationship between these two. You do this by right-clicking on selected nodes. Let me first show you that you can select both nodes with the Control key and left-click, or you can use the selection box, like this, then right-click to define the couple relationship. In this case, we select Marriage. This creates the couple connection between them. You can select the connection line itself. We'll need this to define children. Let's do that now. We'll create two new elements. The first one is David. Age 10, male. We save this new element. Let's open the other element and let's introduce a daughter named Rachel. Let's make Rachel 12 years old, and let's define her gender as female. Now we link the children to the parents by selecting the child and the couple relationship line, then right-click to add as child. You can do this one at a time, or select all the children and add them simultaneously. And just like that, we have a nice basic family genogram. Let's add more information. One of the great features of WebGeno is health conditions. You can select from a wide list of conditions for each person. Let's say that Robert has a heart condition and depression. Save and close, and you can see that both conditions are represented graphically. You can zoom in and out to better view the genogram. The health conditions use 4 quadrants. The first quadrant is cardiovascular diseases. The second quadrant is mental or neurological diseases. The third quadrant is cancer-related illnesses. And the fourth quadrant is metabolic and endocrine diseases, like diabetes. On top of that, we have an outer ring for other conditions, like lupus or asthma. Let me add one to show how it's represented. Only one condition is visually shown per quadrant, but you can define multiple. They will all appear in the tooltip. Another feature is emotional relationships. Let's select Maria and Rachel. And right-click for the context menu, then we select Emotional, and let's say Love. Let's also select both parents now, and maybe things are a bit rocky. Let's add Discord as the emotional relationship between them. And that's it. This covers the basics of creating a genogram. A real genogram will be more complex, but we just wanted to demonstrate WebGeno's core features. As part of the Pro features, we could also use the AI Genogram Builder. Let's take a look on how we could do that. In this text box, we describe the family we want to build in plain text. I have a predefined example. My grandparents, William and Rose, are both deceased. My father, James, 62, has diabetes and high blood pressure. My mother, Patricia, 58, has anxiety. I'm David, 34, married to Sarah, 32. We have a daughter, Emma, 6. We click Generate Genogram. It takes a moment to extract all the elements and connections, but then it presents the number of people, couples, parent-child relations, and family members extracted. Click Apply to Canvas. And there you go. The layout might need adjustment, but you can reposition elements as needed. And there you have it, an automated genogram in just a couple of minutes. We can verify that it matches what we described. For instance, James has type 2 diabetes and hypertension. Patricia has anxiety. Having done that, we could export the genogram to PDF, PNG, or SVG. The resulting file will be available on your browser default download folder. Professional users can also save to the cloud. These files will be available in any device you use to access WebGeno. I hope you have enjoyed our little tutorial, and we hope you try WebGeno for free at psychologysmarttools.com.